Hey everybody, come with me for a quick peek inside this exclusive properties tour. I attended this private tour and champagne toast at this beautifully staged 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in the desirable Overbrook section of Philadelphia. With 600 square feet of charm and modern upgrades. The vibes on point. The home absolutely stunning. The food and company even better. You know, I always gotta look under the hood, which is the basement. When I tell you that every inch of this space was decked out in fantastic staging, it was such a pleasure connecting with amazing colleagues and taking in every detail of this beauty. The fun part, y'all. Can you guess the list price? Drop your guess in the comments. Buyers and sellers, let's talk strategy. I'm here to help you make your next move. Again, don't forget to buy or sell. Call Danielle. Cheers!